Hi, thank you so much for joining us today on our channel. Today, me and my oldest, we're making strawberry syrup. We have pancakes or French toast every single Saturday morning together, and this is just us making strawberry syrup to go on that. Plus, we also made a cheesecake today, and we plan on drizzling some of the syrup onto that. The recipe will be in the description box below. It is 2.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, about 3/4 container of strawberries, 3/4 cups of sugar, as well as about 1 tablespoon of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar, whichever one you have on hand. And then we simmer this on the stove until the strawberries are nice and soft. And then after that, we thicken it up with the cornstarch to get the consistency that we like. And I hope you enjoy just a relaxing day with me and my youngest or my oldest as we cook the strawberries and get them prepared for tonight's dessert as well as for our pancakes. And as always, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions about the recipe or anything I can help you with for the recipe, please let me know. Have a good day and thank you so much for watching. I forgot to mention this is about 1 cup of water that was added. It's just up to how you like your syrup to be. If you do a little bit less, if you do about 1/2 cup, it'll make more of a jam than a syrup.